If your dog bites your hand, does it mean they're aggressive, or is it something completely different? The truth might shock you. Dogs use their mouths for more than just eating. They communicate, explore, and even express emotions through biting. But how can you tell if it's playful, a warning, or something serious? Today, we're uncovering the real reasons behind this behavior and what your dog is actually trying to tell you. Stick around to find out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more dog behavior insights. Chapter 1. Understanding dog biting behavior. Not all dog bites are meant to be aggressive. In fact, biting is a natural part of how dogs explore their environment and communicate. Puppies, in particular, learn bite control through play with their littermates. Dogs rely on their mouths just as much as they use barking, tail wagging, and other body language signals. The key to understanding why a dog bites lies in three main factors. 1. The context. Was the dog playing, feeling threatened, or trying to get attention? The situation can reveal a lot about their intent. 2. Their body language. A relaxed dog with a wagging tail is likely playing, while a tense or stiff dog may be warning you to back off. 3. The bite pressure. Gentle nibbling is common in play, while a firm bite or snap usually means discomfort or stress. By observing these factors, you can better understand what your dog is trying to communicate. Now, let's explore the most common reasons dogs bite hands. Chapter 2. Common reasons dogs bite hands. 1. Playfulness. Dogs, especially puppies, often use their mouths during play. This is a natural behavior they learn when playing with their littermates. Gentle nipping is their way of interacting and engaging with people or other dogs. While playful bites are not meant to hurt, they can sometimes be too rough, especially if a dog hasn't learned bite inhibition. 2. Teething pain. Puppies experience discomfort when their baby teeth fall out and adult teeth grow in. Chewing and biting help relieve the pain in their gums. During this stage, puppies may bite hands, furniture, and anything they can get their mouths on. Providing appropriate chew toys can help redirect this behavior. 3. Overstimulation. Some dogs get overly excited during playtime and start biting harder than they should. This can happen when they become too energetic or aroused, especially in breeds with high prey drive or strong play instincts. Teaching them to calm down and rewarding gentle play can help manage this behavior. 4. Fear or anxiety. A scared or anxious dog may bite as a way to protect themselves. If they feel trapped, overwhelmed, or threatened, they might resort to biting to create distance. Signs of fear-related biting include a stiff body, tucked tail, flattened ears, and avoiding eye contact. Giving them space and building their confidence through positive reinforcement can help reduce fear-based biting. 5. Pain or discomfort. If a dog suddenly starts biting when they usually don't, they could be in pain. Dogs often hide discomfort, but biting can be a reaction to injury, arthritis, dental issues, or other medical conditions. If biting is sudden and uncharacteristic, it's best to consult a vet to rule out any underlying health problems. 6. Lack of training. Dogs that haven't been taught proper bite inhibition may not realize that human skin is more delicate than a dog's fur. In puppyhood, they learn bite control from their littermates. If they bite too hard, their siblings yelp and stop playing. Without training, a dog might continue biting too hard, thinking it's normal. Teaching them gentle play and using positive reinforcement can help curb this behavior. 7. Resource guarding. Some dogs instinctively guard their food, toys, or favorite spots. If they feel someone is trying to take away something valuable, they may react with a warning bite to protect it. This behavior can be managed through training that teaches them to associate people approaching their resources with positive experiences rather than threats. 8. A warning before aggression. Dogs rarely bite out of nowhere. A soft, quick bite with little pressure is often a warning sign that they're uncomfortable. If this early signal is ignored, such as continuing to pet a dog that wants to be left alone, it can escalate to stronger bites. Respecting their warning signs can prevent aggression from developing. 9. Redirected frustration. When a dog gets overly excited or frustrated, such as when barking at another dog through a fence or watching a squirrel they can't chase, they might bite whatever is closest, even if it's your hand. This is known as redirected aggression. To avoid this, it's important to redirect their attention in a positive way before they reach a frustration threshold. 10. Herding instinct. Certain breeds, like Border Collies, Australian Shepherds, and Corgis, have a natural instinct to herd. This often involves nipping at moving objects, including people. While this behavior is not meant to be aggressive, it can be annoying or even painful. Teaching herding breeds alternative ways to channel their instincts, such as obedience training or agility exercises, can help reduce nipping. Chapter 3. How to respond to a dog biting your hand. So, what should you do if your dog bites your hand? Here's how to handle it correctly. 1. Stay calm. It's natural to feel startled or upset when a dog bites, but reacting with fear or aggression can escalate the situation. Yelling or pulling your hand away suddenly might trigger more biting. Instead, take a deep breath, remain still, and assess the situation before responding. 2. Observe the context. Understanding why the dog bit you is crucial. Was it a playful nip, a warning due to discomfort, or a reaction to fear? Their body language will provide clues. Relaxed posture suggests play, while tense muscles, pinned ears, or growling may indicate fear or stress. 3. Redirect the behavior. If the bite happens during play, calmly stop the interaction and redirect them to a chew toy. Providing an appropriate outlet for their biting instincts helps them learn what's acceptable. Rewarding them when they bite the toy instead of your hand reinforces good behavior. 4. Teach bite inhibition. Dogs need to learn that human skin is sensitive. If your dog bites too hard during play, immediately stop the game and withdraw attention. This mimics how their littermates would react to rough play. Over time, they will learn that gentle mouthing is okay, but hard bites end the fun. 5. Avoid rough play. Encouraging wrestling, tug-of-war without rules, or teasing can make biting worse. Play should be structured and controlled, focusing on positive reinforcement and appropriate toys. Setting boundaries early helps prevent playful biting from turning into a bad habit. 6. Check for pain or illness. If your dog suddenly starts biting when they never have before, it could be a sign of an underlying medical issue. Pain, discomfort, or illness can make even the gentlest dog react defensively. Check for signs like limping, whimpering, or changes in appetite. If you suspect pain, avoid touching the sensitive area and schedule a vet visit to rule out injuries, infections, or other health concerns. 7. Set clear boundaries. Consistency is key when training a dog to stop biting. Teach them commands like no bite or gentle, and reinforce positive behavior with rewards like treats or praise. If they bite too hard during play, stop the interaction immediately so they learn that rough play results in no fun. Over time, your dog will understand what is and isn't acceptable behavior. 8. Don't punish, correct instead. Harsh punishment, like yelling or hitting, can make biting worse by increasing fear and aggression. Instead of punishing, focus on correcting the behavior in a positive way. Redirect them to a chew toy, stop playing when they bite too hard, and use calm but firm commands. Rewarding good behavior helps them learn faster and builds trust between you and your dog. A dog biting your hand doesn't always mean aggression. It could be playful, a sign of fear, or even a warning before something more serious. By understanding the reason behind the bite, you can respond the right way and strengthen your bond with your dog. Has your dog ever bitten your hand? What was the reason? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more dog behavior tips.